Hello friends, welcome to our channel Nutshell School. Today we are going to talk about that how to create an online course and make money online. If you are ready to delve into the world of teaching and making money online, follow these steps. Number 1. Choose a course topic. Make a list of things you know about. Perhaps it's something your friends and family ask you for help on. Do you have a hobby you can teach others about, such as watercolor paintings for beginners or how to lower a score in golf? Number 2. Do market research. You don't want to spend a lot of time creating a course that no one will buy. Many people might want to know about your topic, but the question is, are they willing to pay to learn it? Before you invest time in your course, research who the best buyer for it would be, and whether or not they are ready, willing, and able to buy it. Number 3. Outline your course. If you have determined there is a market willing to buy your course, the next step is determining what you'll put in the course. By the nature of a course, the content you provide should go deep into the topic and cover all important aspects. A course isn't like a blog post, which often just skims the surface. For example, if you have a course on starting a home business, you might have a module on business plans. Your lessons in that module will include how to determine your USP and how to identify your target market. Number 4. Decide the best methods to deliver your lessons. There is an expectation that online course will offer a variety of teaching methods such as text, video, worksheets, checklists, infographics, audio, and anything else that delivers information. The trick is in determining that what format is best for what you are trying to teach. In some cases, you might offer two methods for one lesson. For example, if you were teaching a course on how to use QuickBooks, you might have both a step-by-step text instructions and a video tutorial on how to install and set up the software. Number 5. Create your lessons. It is the most time-consuming aspect of creating an online course. Consider creating a logo or a color theme that appears in all lesson content. Proofread your text lessons and watch your videos to make sure that there is no error or glitches. Number 6. Determine how you'll sell your lessons. For the most control, create a website to host and deliver your lessons. There are membership site scripts and WordPress plugins that can help you set up a system for selling and delivering your course. For faster, less technical effort, you can use an online course service such as Udemy or Skillshare. Pay from these sites varies. For example, Udemy's instructor pay depends on how the sale was generated. The benefit of these resources is that you simply upload your course and the site take care of selling it to the members, market, including payment processing. The downside is that they owe the market and platform. Plus, you are competing with other course providers, which can mean the need to reduce the price of your course to compete. Number 7. Upload your course online. Once you have picked up your platform, upload your course. If the platform allows you to customize your course, such as adding a logo or color scheme, add them. It will help you create your unique brand. Number 8. Market your course. Start by creating a marketing plan that includes who your market is, where can you find them, and how can you entice them to check out your course. Great course marketing options include social media, PPC advertising such as Facebook ads, and article marketing. There are many other free and low-cost marketing options as well. Number 9. Keep your course information up to date. Every few months or so, check that your course information is correct and relevant. Outdated information doesn't help your student and can lead to bad reviews. Don't forget to check and fix any broken links to resources. Number 10. Rinse and repeat. There is no rule that you have to stick to one course. If there are other courses you can teach related to your initial course, create those. You can then refer your students to these other courses. For example, if you offer a course on how to write a mystery, you can add a course on how to publish a book and or how to market a book. You can also create new courses in completely different areas. Creating and selling online courses can be quite lucrative if you are able to provide a great course and reach your target marketing. Plus, with easier to use and more affordable resources to host your course, there is no reason to avoid becoming an online instructor. While it can take time to create all the lessons in your course, once uploaded, it can become a profitable source of passive income to your existing business or as a business all on its own. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.